everyone, welcome to part 14 of Laravel 9 series, in which we are creating the multi-vendor e-commerce website. And in the last few videos we have seen that we able to update the admin password, and now in this video, from this video we are going to update the admin details as well. Okay, so in admin details I want to show you that what we can update. Here comes the admins table, and see, from this table you able to understand that we can update name, mobile, email, password we have already done, and image as well. Okay, four things we can able to update: name, mobile, email also we can't update, name, mobile, and its image. Only three things we can able to update. Okay, so this thing applies to admin, subadmin, and superadmin. But for vendors, we have the separate table for vendors, you can see. And for vendors, we are going to open the different admin panel, or we can say the different admin forms. Okay, so that we are going to update this table for vendors, and also the shopping details as well, shop and other details. We will also create another table like vendors underscore shops later on in the series, not right now, because we are going to work on e-commerce website. Still we have not done anything. We need to create those sections, categories, products, everything. We need to work on that thing first. After that we will come to this one, because we want to connect it with the front end as well. Vendor is going to register from the front end, as we know. Okay, so I want to tell you here, I want to tell you here. Okay, so see here, this on the left sidebar we have worked for update add a password. Now we are going to work for the update details. So for that I am going to tell you briefly that what we are going to do. So I will choose draw here. Okay, so in settings, for settings we have done for update password, and now for update admin details. Okay, update admin details. So in update admin details, what we are going to do, I am going to tell you. I'm going to pick this one. Okay, so see, first thing is we are going to update three things here. We are going to update name, mobile, and image. Okay, name, mobile, and image. Okay, and these things will be for admin, subadmin, okay, and superadmin. So they can log in into the admin panel and can update their name, mobile, and image. But for vendors, vendors have more columns. Vendor can able to update city, state, country, pin code, and more details as well. Okay, so we are going to work for the admin, subadmin, and superadmin. They can able to update the name, mobile, and image. Okay, so let's start. I'm going to see, we have already created that link, update admin details, but that is not working right now because we have not created any route. So first thing is we are going to create the route here. See, I will quickly create the route. See, this is the advanced e-commerce project. Okay, I'm going to open that my project is no, this one only. Ecom 9 is my project name. Okay, so I am going to open web.php. Here it is. Okay, so I'm going to create one route here for updating admin details. I will quickly do that. For updating admin details, I'm going to create one route I'm going to add get post. We will use it as both as get as well as post. Update admin details. Okay, and I'm going to add its function update admin details. Okay, fine, and this one I will just close. Okay, it is closing here, no issue. So I'm going to add this function in AdminController. Okay, so here after update admin password, I'm going to add another function Even I can add after this one public function update admin details, in which I am going to return this to I'm going to create one file under admin folder, under settings folder. Here I'm going to create one file, update admin details, update admin details, update admin details. Okay, so I'm going to create this file. Now I'm going to open that update update admin password, file save as. It will save our time. We will get the file update admin details. I'm going to make it as update admin details. Okay, so now I'm going to make the changes, some of the changes. See, we will keep the same admin username, admin type, but I'm going to update these things to name, mobile and image. Okay, so I'm going to do that. Okay, here see, we can okay, no issue, you can take the name. Here type is test. Okay, so for this one we can also take it as admin underscore name. Okay, so we are going to take it like admin underscore name. And for this one is not required, this is for the password only. And here we are going to add the mobile. Okay, so we are going to add admin underscore mobile, and here we are going to make it mobile. So right now we will keep these two, admin name and mobile. We are going to update these two fields, name and mobile. Okay, so let me check that we able to open this file. I'm going to refresh and see some issue has come because these fields are not there. Still we have not added anything. See, in update admin password we have we have created that admin details array, and we have just returned that array so that we can get the information here. But there is one more way to get the information without passing the array. See, we are working with the auth guard and we have the details of the admin. Okay, we know how to get the details. So here we can simply use auth guard. Okay, auth guard admin, we can simply get the details here. Okay, no, we are not required to even call the array, even call that getting that admin details from the array. We are already getting it, and we can straight away use it like this, admin. Okay, auth guard admin means it contains everything. Just you require to add the user, and after that name. Okay, see, this is email. We are going to add here email. Okay, so this one. Okay, so now and here we are going to have that type. So I'm going to add it as type. So let us check. Now the issue must not come. Here you can see we have got the details from the that auth guard admin. Okay, so auth guard admin itself contains everything, so we can use it anywhere. Okay, even in the blade file, even in the controller model, anywhere we can use it. Okay, so now just we need to update for name and mobile. So same thing we are going to use for name and mobile as well. So in value we are going to add it in the same way, and here I'm going to keep that I'm going to take that mobile and email. Okay, so here I am going to take it mobile, and here I'm going to take it email. Whatever it is the name. Okay, fine. Okay, name. So I'm going to refresh and we'll see whether the information has come up. Okay, you can see, and here also I will use the test, and now we can check it. Okay, so super admin mobile, name and mobile both are there. So I simply require to get the poster data and will save in admin form. Okay, so admin that table, admin table. Okay, so Here it is. So first of all, I will use this request dollar request, and I will get the poster data here. Okay, inside this I'm just going to have the poster data here. Dollar request is method post. Inside this I'm going to get the data. First of all, we are going to check dollar data dollar request. Okay, so now we are going to check it, like super admin. This is the number, undefined array. Okay, so it is going to the wrong because we need to update here, update admin details. Okay, that's why it is going to the wrong place. Now we are going to click on submit. Here we have got the data, that is fine. So here, now we can see, first of all, we will also add the validation. Okay, so let's first complete the updation. After that we are going to add the validation as well. So we are going to update admin details here straight away. We will get the details and we'll update in the admin table. Okay, model from the via the model. So here we are going to compare it with the email, or we can compare with the id as well. Okay, it's see, we can we have the id, we have the email. We can just simply compare it with the auth, guard, admin, user id. Okay, we can simply compare it with this one. Okay, and we can simply update name as well as mobile. Okay, both we are getting in dollar data, name, admin name, as well as we will get the mobile. Okay, okay, so this is the information that we will update. So now we are going to return redirect back, return redirect back with the success message. And we will write like admin details updated successfully. Okay, like this. And here we are already having this success message as well. Okay, so we can refresh, continue. We need to remove that die. Okay, see, check it once and we'll refresh. Now continue, and you can see admin details updated successfully is coming. Now we have not updated anything so far, so I am going to update the name. See, even it will remain as the super admin. I'm going to make it like Amin Gupta, my name, and here I'm going to name update like 97950000 something. Okay, so here I'm going to make it like this, submit. Okay, admin detail updated successfully, and you can see the information has been updated. Okay, so you can check in form as well. Okay, you can go inside the form, and here you can refresh as well, and you can see the admin details has been updated successfully. So now we are going to add the validation for this one as well. For this form, uh, we are going to add the validation for the name as mobile and mobile as well, so that no one can update the invalid information, invalid admin information. Okay, so we are going to add the Laravel validation in the same way like we have added for our login form as well, admin login form. Okay, so for that we are going to add here validation rule. Okay, so now we are going to add the array of the rules. First of all, dollar rules equal to array. So here in array we are going to add two of the validation rule in this one. First one is for the admin name, and for admin name, first validation is the simple one, that is the required, and the another one is the we are going to have the alphabets. We are going to have the Laravel validation for name with spaces. So I'm going to search for that validation, like Laravel validation for name with spaces. Okay, earlier also I have searched for this validation in the advanced e-commerce series. We have done this validation as well, if you remember. So we can take this one required and this one, this regular expression, that will help us to just add the alphabets along with spaces. Okay, other like numbers and special characters are not allowed to add in name. So after that I am going to add the validation for the mobile as well, admin mobile. And for mobile I am going to add like required, and the next one is the numeric. Okay, number must be numeric. Okay, also I want that it must be of the 10 digit, and for that we can straight away can add the uh, here also maximum length. I think maximum length is of 10, and minimum length is of 10 as well. Okay, here in placeholder we can add enter 10 digit mobile number. See, you can allow as per your own country. Okay, as per your own requirement you can add the placeholder and the validation as per your own requirement. Okay, so here I will add it like this, and after that we can add the custom message as well. But if we don't want to add the custom message, then we can simply validate this one as well. See, without any custom message we can able to validate as well. Like dollar request, I'm going to use dollar request and dollar rules. So let us see that if we can able to validate our update admin details or not. Okay, so here I think we also require to add that like we have add in add login as well, that error message here, this one will be displayed Laravel validation error message. Okay, so we are going to display it here as well. I have just copied from the admin login page that we have added earlier as well. So now I am going to try it once, like if I will remove this one, or if I will add the number in name, you can see admin name format is invalid. Okay, so we are getting the error message here like admin name format is invalid. Or if I will add some wrong number here, like we can add please length this 10 test to 10 characters or more. You are currently using the 9 characters. Okay, I will add the 10 characters, not the number. I will add 10 characters like this. Okay, so I will click on submit. See, if I will click on submit, the admin mobile must be a number. Okay, so here you can see we have added the validation for both name as well as mobile. If you will add the numeric in name, then it will not allow you to add the numeric in name as well. Admin name format is invalid. So both, for both the cases it is showing us to add the correct details. Okay, so there is one more validation I want to try. I think something I can open Laravel validation 9 Laravel 9 validation. Okay, so we can open the validation, and we can always take the help from this Laravel 9 validation, and here you can check for the rules. Okay, validation custom rules, validations rules, here you will get the complete rules as well, and you can simply check it. Okay, using rules, editing rules, these are the rules. Okay, so here see, I can also use this one. What it means: stop running validation rule for the field after the first validation failure. Okay, so see, it is fine like this. And we can also add the custom message here. If we want to add the custom message, that we can add it here as well. Okay, we will add like custom messages. Okay, for custom messages we will also take one array, and in that array we are going to add our custom messages. Like for one we are going to add admin underscore name dot required. For this one we can add like name is required. Okay, and for admin name, if regular expression reges, sorry, reges, regular expression. Okay, and here we are going to write valid name is required. And for admin mobile we are going to write mobile is required. Okay, so for that one, for numeric we are going to write valid mobile is required. So now we can try. Okay, now we have the custom message as well. Like if I will type name L like this one, the admin name format is invalid, but it is coming like this. And admin name format is invalid. Expression. Okay, if I will left it empty, let's see. Okay, so I will remove this one, then we'll check. I will remove required for the testing, that it picks custom message or not. I have added sorry, this one I have not added, that's why it is not showing. Okay, so everything is fine, just we need to add here custom message. Now it will work fine. Okay, now see, if I will refresh and we'll add here the number, and you can click on submit and see valid name is required. Our message, our that custom message is coming in now. Okay, so here you need to add the correct name. And if we are going to add here, like if I will not add anything, click on submit, then it will, okay, it is asking to add, it is still asking to add. If I will add the character and click on submit, then it will say valid mobile is required, and valid mobile is required is our custom message. Okay, so we can add the custom message like this. See, if I will enter the correct details like Amit only, and here 93 this number, then it is going to update it successfully. You can see admin details updated successfully this time. Okay, so now this one is all fine, and you can see we can able to update the admin information now. So now the super admin, admin and sub admin can able to update his own details. Okay, so later on in this series we are going to see that super admin can able to update the information of admin, sub admin, vendors, users. Okay, so but the sub admin, admin or vendor can able to update its own information only. Okay, so now see, in the next video we are going to update the image as well, admin image as well, and we are going to install the intervention package for uploading the image, and that we are going to see. And after that we are going to work on vendors module. Here we are going to show the vendors as well, and vendor can able to update his own details. Okay, more details vendors can able to update. Okay, so after that we are going to start the e-commerce modules, like sections, category, products. Okay, so that vendor can able to add his own categories, products, and more information into the admin panel. Okay, that's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.